Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Can you guys hear me? All right, clear. Hi guys, welcome to the webinar for today. So today we're going to talk about MACD Masterclass. Okay, you can ask me any question if you have. You can ask me if you have any question. Okay, if we finish the webinar early, I think I will bring you guys to the chat, and then we can use the MACD. Sorry, yeah, we can use MACD on the live chat later. Okay. How are you guys doing so far? Hi, Joy. Hi, Sad. Hi, Tamer. Hi, William. Alan. Welcome to the webinars. Okay, we just wait for a few couple more minutes for everyone to tune in, and then I will start the section for today. Actually, okay, so it's actually feeling bad while I'm trading on BTC. What happened with the BTC? While we're waiting, right? Let's just jump in and see what happened. Are you sell or you buy? Now it's already okay. This is not I haven't updated my charts. Okay, I think it's already at first support so far. Either day, daily support somewhere here. Yeah. While we're waiting for everyone to tune in, let's just look for BTC. What happened with TC? Do you sell or you buy, or you still like losing from what happened in a few years, like last year or 2 years ago? Any one of you guys sell GU already TP? Okay, let me just wait and see. Okay, just wait for 1 more minute. Okay, I will start the webinar, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Maybe today not many people attend. What happened to you? You can share with me. Middle signal for MACD, special crypto. Yes, you cannot use MACD to trade though. I mean, you cannot use like only any indicator standalone to trade. You might have like other thing to confirm the trade, and then you enter to the market. Either you use like demand supply or support and resistance, combined with Fibonacci. Have you guys already learned Fibonacci? It's really powerful. And I personally, I don't use MACD to trade. Okay, it's okay. We will learn today, and then I will share with you guys. Let's just start our section today. Hi everyone, again welcome to the webinar today. The topic we're going to talk about MACD Masterclass. Okay, and before we start our webinars, disclaimer first. Okay, this is marketing communication and do not contain or should not be construed as investment advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, because we already know that trading Forex and CFD is carry a high level of risk of your capital, and you should not only trade with the money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, and we know that trading Forex and CFD may not be suitable for all investors, so just trade wisely. So agenda for today, what we're going to cover: what is MACD? Okay, how to use MACD. Okay, what is a MACD strategy and how you combine MACD with others or indicator. All right. My advice: if you know how to draw Fibonacci correctly, your trade will be improved almost 100%. Okay, Fibonacci is very powerful tool or indicator. You should learn it based on my experience. Okay, so it's about myself. My name is Peggy. Okay, I'm a trade analyst at Forex Group. Okay, we are finally for the best ever research in 2019, 20, and 21, and finally for the best equity research in 2020 and 21. And this is some of certificate that I have passed all the challenge. Okay, all right. Okay, so what is MACD? You guys already know MACD. Okay, we are use a moving average convergence and divergence, which I will show you guys in the trading view later. And we also there is also momentum indicator based used in trend following with the scenario. And you know, some people or some trader, they use MACD crossover for, you know, trigger or for the signal buy and sell. But again, there is quite a lot of false signal if you only use MACD to trade. Okay, so the component of MACD, okay, the MACD, they have like indicator for component. They have a MACD line which 12 EMA and 26 EMA, signal line which is they use 9 period EMA, which is 9 day period, is like 9 day. Okay, and histogram and zero line, how it look like? Okay, something like this. Okay, this is a MACD. Okay, so if you go to indicator, you just search for MACD, and this is the one that I you know, put the star here. Okay, when you enter, it's just something look like that. Okay, okay, how you use MACD to trade? Like what you can see over here, one is a MACD line, which is a blue line, and a signal line, which is orange color, and we have MACD histogram, which is, you know, this is the one. Okay, like this, like the curve here. Okay, and then we have a zero line, which is this line. Okay, so how does it work? Okay, for the signal, for the selling signal, okay, I personally, I don't only use you know, MACD cross signal like purely for sell signal or for buy signal. There might be other indicator or other confirmation, and then we sell. But just over here, let's say if you see the MAC crossover signal line, meaning the blue line cross below the orange color, which is signal line, you sell. This is your sell signal here. What about buy signal? You wait to buy when the blue line cross. Blue line is cross, and actually to me cross above. To me, a cross above the blue line, cross above the signal line. Then you buy. Okay. But how you're going to buy? Let's say I will tell you guys later. But MACD trading strategy is a lagging indicator. Okay, lagging indicator, to me, leading indicator, meaning like the indicator that can help you predict, you know, where is the price going or heading to. That is Fibonacci and Ichimoku cloud. Okay, that's why I say Fibonacci is the leading indicator that you should use you should learn how to use it. Okay, because MACD is lagging indicator, that's why you have a lot of fake signal. Okay, crossover strength, sometimes you can use it as well, and potential reversal. If the MACD crossover, it happen at support and resistance, how we can use that? Let's say here MACD trading strategy by entry. Okay, what you can see here, you know that the MACD, which is the blue line, cross above the signal line, which is the orange color, you're going to buy, what you need to take note is that you know that this could be your support level. Okay, there might be like key level here. That's why you buy. So when you buy, okay, what you can notice is that histogram also it's a form like bullish become bearish, which is like green color. Okay, then you buy here. Okay, when you buy here, again, when you're going to exit the trade, you're going to exit the trade when the blue line cross below the orange color here, like somewhere here. You can exit your buy position, okay, which is somewhere around here, because this time we can see, then we know what's going to happen, right? But this usually you buy here, you exit the trade is here when the blue cross below the signal line. Okay, and what you can see here is that, okay, when they have very strong trend, like this one, like bullish, right? You can see that really strong, like green color, very like green color here, all the way up. But then after that, you know, when the price is keep like, you know, going up 10 all the way up high, and then what you can notice that the green is start to like shading, you know, like really light green over here. Okay, and then you can see that the signal line here, I mean, they kind of far away to each other here, so it's really strong uptrend. And when the price is starting like to intersection here or like cross each other, you can just exit your buy position. How you're going to sell here, I don't know, but what I'm going to sell at the key resistance here. Why? You need to like see that, okay, there is a rejection as this level here, right? The rejection here. Okay, this could be like resistance level. And when the price or here, okay, this is ending with a red candle, and you see that the body is like equal, and then this candle is ending with the bearish engulfing candle, right? This one. And then you can see that the MACD close below which is the blue one, close below the signal line, which is orange color. Okay, then you can start to sell. When you start to sell, you can see that from the very like blue color become green, become like light blue, light green, and then you start to sell. You sell here, which is, you notice your confirmation. Okay, this is a bearish engulfing candle, and then you sell. Okay, when you sell, where you're going to exit, you need to know that this is your, somewhere is your resistance, break above become your support, right? So you need to draw, this is your support level. Okay, so support level, what you can see that the blue line cross above, so you need to exit, meaning that, you know, your sale position need to close, you need to exit, and then after that you can consider to buy, because this is already at the key support level, which is overlap support level. Okay, because you used to be resistance, you break above, it becomes support. Sometimes you need to read the candle as well. Okay, this is an example. What about this one? You see, when it's closed, if I were to see like that, the reason, another one, I'm not going to buy now because, okay, I'm not going to buy now because price is still somewhere, it's at like resistance, and then, you know, it's below like zero line here. It is a zero line, right? And you can see if you were to buy here, you hold position for a while, and then price start to come down, because actually this price come from like a key resistance level. Okay, and then but you close, you can buy, but if you buy here and then you hold a little bit, and then you need to exit your buy position. Now you're going to sell. What you can see that you're going to sell here, because you know that this is your resistance, right? Your resistance, and then you can see that is histogram is green, green, and light green, and then you can see that blue is starting close below. Okay, and then you know this is a belly engulfing candle, right? Really big belly engulfing like that. You sell, and then you can see that this is very strong downtrend. Okay, when you're going to exit your position, you just see when the price is closing to each other, and then you exit your sell position. Okay, what about this one? Okay, for this one, if you want to read the market structure, you know that price is make a lower low, like lower high, and underneath high, and still like low, making a lower low as well. But then you can see that after that, this one they cannot make a lower low. They make a higher high, higher low here. And what you notice that when you see that, and then there is a little green histogram here start to appear, and the blue line cross above the signal line, which you see, and then you can get a buy position from here. But in my case, if I don't look at histogram, I mean at the MACD, okay, I like to look at market structure, which is no price make a high, a lower low, lower high until here they cannot make a lower low. They start to make a higher low. So meaning that when the price break a chain of character and wait for it to pull back somewhere here, I will buy from here, which is somewhere here. If you know how to trade demand and supply, this is demand zone. And then if I pull up MACD, so oh, MACD, another confirmation is that price, I mean blue color, it break above, cross above the orange color, which is signal line, and then you buy. Okay. I thought talk about Fibonacci. We do teach you guys on how to draw Fibonacci. Tomorrow we do have, right? Tomorrow I think we do have Fibonacci. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I need to check my schedule, but we do teach. If you cannot find, you just go to the YouTube for the AC market. They will upload on the YouTube, and then you can learn from over there. Okay. And what about the sales entry? Over here, you know that price is come from the resistance level. These are resistance, okay. And then you can see that the MACD, which is blue color, cross below the signal line, and then you can sell. And then what you can see here that the histogram is appear from like the below the zero line, which is the red color, and then you sell. Okay. Another one is that you know this is the same. Oh, okay. So excuse me. So belly engulfing candle close below, and then you sell. Okay, where you're going to exit the sell entry, which is when the MACD close above the signal line, and then you exit the sell position. Okay, and you notice that the histogram, if there is sell, usually the histogram is a red, is like below the zero like line here. Okay, and then when it's bullish, and then you can see the histogram is like that. And one is thing, if there is really strong trend, you'll see that the big curve for like histogram is gonna be big, really like that. If they're really tiny, mean that there is no movement, I mean not really like volatile or any buy and sell in the market. If they're really strong move, strong like uptrend or downtrend, you can see that the curve is like quite big. You see this is a strong uptrend, this is just very little, and then this one also. So if you want to trade, right, I recommend you to look for like really big curve like that, and then price is either come from key support or key resistance. Okay, and then you trade. Okay, what about the exit? I already told you guys just now. For example, we need to draw support and resistance. You know that this used to be resistance level, and then you drag all the way to your right, and then you know that this is resistance and it's become support, right? When this is support level, we use a swing low, because this is why we choose this, because what you can see here that this one, I mean price cannot break below this level because you know wick, and then the body is not closed below the wick. So this is a key support level. And then you want to buy. Before you buying, okay, price usually will make a sideways or ranging, like what you can see here. Here you know that price is like ranging right here. Okay, here ranging. And when you're going to buy, let's say you buy here and price like still haven't go, still another confirmation is that this is a bullish candle here, bullish candle. Okay, and then you know that the MACD close above the signal line, which is the orange color like that, and then you buy. And when it's like bullish engulfing candle, you can see that the histogram is up slightly appear to have a green color here, and then you can see that there is strong uptrend. And then you can see when there's strong uptrend, the MACD and signal line is you know, far apart from each other. Okay. All right. Any questions so far, guys? Okay, I just want to tell you, when I trade, I like to read the candle. Okay, and then I like to look at the market structures. And then if you want to combine with any indicator, you just use either like MACD, like I say MACD, you cannot only use like only a standalone indicator to trade. Okay. What about the trading strategy exit? I already told you guys just now. This is overlap resistance, right? Here, overlap resistance. Let's say you buy from here at swing high from here. You're not gonna buy here because we don't know that whether price will reverse from this level, but there is a confirmation, you know, that this is a big valid candle, okay, here. And after that, if you want to wait for signal line to close, you will wait, okay, and then until this candle, you know that, oh, they already closed, MACD close below the signal line, and then there is a histogram red color. It's starting to appear, and then you sell. Okay, when you sell, you hold. Okay, you hold until you see that this is your key support level. Okay, and then the MACD and signal line is starting to, like, you know, intersect together, already close each other, and then you exit your buy position, because usually you sell from resistance, your TP should be close before the support level. Okay, because support level usually people will buy up here. Okay, but then in this case, meaning that like if you buy, you just have to hold for a while, and then what you can see that price is break the support level and then become resistant. And then after that, what you see like that, another position that you want to enter is here. When the price cannot break above this overlap resistance, you see that the MACD close below the signal line, which is orange color, right? And then the histogram appear in red color and below the zero line here, and then you sell. Okay, where is your TP? Definitely gonna be this key resistance level. You exit. Either you exit here, but you think that, oh, you don't want to exit because you see that these two lines is still far apart, and then you can close when they are, like, you know, closing to each other. Yet okay, I didn't use MACD to trade, but I use divergence to trade, which is using the RSI. I use only RSI to find the divergence, like bearish or bullish divergence. Okay, I didn't use MACD because it depends. Some people use MACD, some people use stochastic, or some people use RSI, but I use RSI just to find the bearish or bullish divergence. Okay, but some people, they use MACD to look for bearish or bullish divergence. But to me, I don't know how to look at this, so I don't use it. I personally don't use it, but Like when I enter to the market, yes, I study all like MACD, stochastic, RSI, like every one of us, right? When you started, but then after that we just study and then we pick which one is, you know, work well for us or work well for like my strategy, and then I just pick that indicator and then pick that strategy and then keep practicing until you feel really confident and then you trade. Yeah, I will show you how to use the divergent using RS. Sure. Okay, combine MACD with indicator. You see, you can use MACD to identify trend. Like I say, if there is very strong trend, downtrend or uptrend, you look at the histogram. Is an uptrend, the histogram will be like really curve, very big like this, which is the green color. If there is a bearish, is a bearish or downtrend, okay, the histogram, this is zero line. The histogram, which is the red color, will like curve like something like that. And then, okay, and then it also act as support and resistance as well, which is, I mean, you can combine with support and resistance, which is just now. Okay, you know that you sell from here, the MACD is close below the signal line, and then you close or you exit your trade, which is you exit at your support level. Okay, and then crossover strength, like you can see that very strong uptrend and very strong downtrend. When they cross to each other and the line is far apart, means that this is a strong downtrend. If like cross above and then you see that it's like this strong uptrend, and then what you can see that histogram is very like the big curve like that, and then, you know, green color. Okay, and then you can find potential reversal. What do I mean by potential reversal? For example, here let's say price is from resistance level. I mean like price is keep like lower low, high, and then after that the rejection here, and then what you notice is that you have to look at the histogram over here. Price is all the way uptrend, green, very like strong green. Okay, like really strong green until up to this point, which is this one, and then there is potential that the reversal, which is from the very like green color, you can see it's turning to become like light green. Okay, and then you can see that this starting the decline. Okay, and then you can see that it have the barely incoming candle as well, and then you start to sell at this level. Okay, all right guys, any questions so far about MACD? Because I think already finished the slide, and if you don't have, I will bring you to the chart and have a look. Okay, okay, there's no question. Okay, let me just practice in our charts. Okay, all right, so what you can see over here, all right, here at GU, here, let's just put a watermark, and then you can see like what you can see over here. Okay, here the signal, which is like somewhere here. Okay, like here. Okay, what you can see here, you know that this, you need to draw support resistance. You know that this is your to be your resistance, right? Price break above, and then you wait for price to pull back at your support level, and then you're going to buy from this level. Okay, another confirmation, you know, oh, you can see that the MACD from here sell, okay, up to until below, and then, you know, until this, like, you know, support level here, and then you can start to see that the MACD is close above the signal line, which is here. Okay, and then you buy. Another thing to take note, you can know that price like ranging at this level, like from here to here, they cannot like break below this support level. Okay, one like this candle ending like that, and then you can see a big bullish candle, and then you can buy. When you buy, you can see that the histogram is starting to appear on top of zero line, and then the green color, so meaning from bearish become bullish here, and then you hold. If you want to see that, you hold the position until you see that they're starting to close each other, and then you close or you exit your buy position, or either after you can sell, because if the price come from key support or key resistance, if you want to buy, you know that okay, this is, you need to know how to draw support resistance. For example, maybe I think okay, if price come to this resistance, okay, I'm going to close or exit my trade. But now what you can see, price go above a little bit, and then you come in, and then you close, and then you may consider to sell. When you sell here, you know that the histogram from bullish, okay, they change momentum to bearish momentum here, okay, and then you hold. It may sound look easy because we see like that, but in real life, it's not that easy, right? So we cannot only rely on any one indicator anywhere, guys, right? Okay, let's look for. Okay, just now somebody asked about RSI. Okay, so you see I use RSI, which is 14 is just 14. Okay, I'm using like default number, which is 14. Let's say we use MACD for sell or buy signal, and then we can use you use RSI to help you to find bearish or bullish divergence. For example, let's try to find, maybe it go to gold, easy. If you are day trading or day trader like me, I like to use a H4 time frame or maybe H1. But if you want to scalp or you're a scalper, you can H4 H1 or M30. Okay, for intraday, yeah, you can use H4 or H1, up to you. Again, if the divergence is happen in a higher time frame, it's very strong rather than smaller time frame. For example, if you trade gold, for example, and then there's divergence. For example, let me find the divergence for you in H4 time frame. Okay. Where? Okay. This is bullish divergence, right? Price make a lower high, but indicator is make a higher high. If you cannot see clearly, you double click, you make it really clear for you. Okay, and then bullish, we change to green color. Okay, you don't change also, okay, up to you, but I like to change. Know that this is a very this is a bullish divergence, right? Then you know that this is price is make a lower high, and then at this candle, this very strong bullish candle. Okay, there is a bullish divergence in RSI, and then you can see that there is MACD close above the signal line, so you can buy from here. When you buy from here for gold, it happen at the higher time frame. You can hold the position at least 100 pip. Okay, 100 pip, which is 1,000 points for gold, very easy. If the divergence happen in H4, at least your TP, or you put your TP, based on my experience, is more than 100 pip. Okay, but if you want to use the trailing stop, you can just set the trailing stop every 50 pip, and then you make it move. And then what you can see over here, when it's all the way here, okay, and then up until here. But again, because we know that, right, price is not going to like all the way and then boom like that, right? It's always, it's like, you know, you're going to make a high here, low, go like that, all the way up trend like that. So if you want to hold for like up to really like of like for the longer, for the like for the long trend, for example, you just use the trailing stop, at least you it can help you to scale your profit. Okay, this is what I mean. And you also can read market structure, that what we can see here, price is like make a lower low, lower high right here. Okay, then after that price is cannot make a lower low, they make a higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low, higher high, like that. When you know like that, you know that price is on uptrend, and then you can hold. Okay, okay, if you learn the FIFO, you know that price is make a higher high, and then you buy from here, bearish bullish diversion, and then you buy, and after that you, let's say you exit the buy position here, because this is very strong key resistance level. Okay, what you can see here, support, okay, support break above, support break below, become resistance, you see all the wick. Oh, you see all the wick here, like, you know, price cannot go, I mean the body cannot close above this level. So when you buy from here and then you exit here, and then you know that you want to buy again, you wait for price to retrace or pull back at the FIFO level, and then you need to draw, okay, fifth swing low to swing high, always draw from left to the right, and then you know that Fibonacci, we do have premium and discounted zone. So the premium zone, just a recap, I don't know whether you guys will study the premium zone is between 23.6% to 50%. We call premium. Okay, we call premium. So but if you want to buy something, definitely we want to buy at discounted price, right? So discounted price or discounted zone is 50 below 78.6. This is called discounted zone. So you wait for the zone, and then what you can see that price is come and retrace at 78.6% in a boom all the way up there, because price is make a lower low before that, and then they make it higher high. Okay, cannot make the low is not lower than that. And then what you can see there is the high, and I will show you where. And this is already change of character, which is this is a high, right? Wait, sorry, this is the high. Okay, price is already make a change of character here. Okay, because from like lower low, lower high, and then they cannot, they're like this one. Okay, they already go above this high, so we wait for price to pull back at discounted zone, and then you buy. But sometimes if you only wait at the discounted zone, sometimes you may not get the order or position, because if there is really strong trend, sometimes price is only like pull back or retrace only premium at the premium zone, which is like you draw like that. This is you draw like that, meaning price is on uptrend, which is Fibonacci like 100% is here, right? And then you wait for price to pull back to the zone, and then you buy. This is uptrend. Okay, let's say downtrend, 100% is always on top, and then you pull from your left to the right. Okay, you wait for price to retrace like that somewhere between Fibonacci level, and then you sell. Okay, so like that, this is discounted zone, this is a premium. Okay, this is a premium. Okay, guys, just a recap for you. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, and then you see that, okay, back from here, like this is our key resistance level, right? It's key resistance, like just now we said it's key resistance, and then you know that at the key resistance, and then you exit your buy position because key resistance, and then you can see that MACD is close below the signal line. Okay, Do you use moving average on the chart in your own trading? Moving average, I don't really use it anymore. Okay, I just use for like to see, because moving average, it can act as support and resistance, or use for the higher time frame. For example, like daily, you act like that, you know that price is like retrace or come down. Okay, and then now react at this is called support. And then now I think, to me, if you use that, it may confuse yourself, because in the higher time frame for gold, we know that price is on downtrend, because price is make a low high, low high here. So they still come down here, where you can see the high get lower and then the low get lower. Okay, price is still on downtrend. Okay, here, and what you can see in that's why H4, they need to go up in the lower time frame, and then you start to selling over here. So let's say, where is your sell zone, right? You can see the cross here, you sell. Okay, like you see, it's got over here, starting to sell. And then where is your like buy position or support level? Okay, this is already at support level. Okay, support level. And if I use the EMA, I know that this is already at support level, which is gonna buy somewhere here, which is 1930 to 1935. That's the buy zone, which is another support, which is here, which is 1908. Okay, that is quite far, because still like 300 pip, that's a lot. So we don't have a new for tonight, right, so far. So I think between this level, you will see price is bought from here. Okay, all right. So I still wait to buy, actually, at like 1930 to 1925. I will buy, but you can see here already keep coming down in the zone. What you can see here, this is EMA 200 in H1. Price is going to break or not, and this is like the zone that we want to buy. Okay, okay, you see here GU sell, we cannot see anything. Okay, it's rebounds up. This is due to be support, and now it's become resistance. We need to see. Okay, okay, so let's just look at gold. Okay, I already enter. Okay, let's see, you look at M30, M15 like that. If this candle is ending with a green, this is a good signal to buy. I already, okay, you may consider I already buy anyway, so consider. Again, if you buy now, there is a big zone about 50 pip from 1930 to 1925 for you to, you know, manage your lot size, because okay, even to why you wait for this M5 to close with bullish engulfing candle, and then you may consider to buy. If like that, sometimes I'm really aggressive trade, right? Sometimes I just put buy, but my lot size is very small, because I still have to manage my lot size in case the price is, you know, reverse, or like, you know, go down to 1925, and then I have the lot size to, like, you know, put the like the layer in zone basically. Okay, any questions so far, guys? You see, go up already. It's okay, we can just see if this one can close with the bullish candle. Maybe put buy limit order. I already enter buy. Yeah, you can put a buy limit. So usually I put like 1930.5. Okay, 1931. Okay, so I already have the position with gold now already, and then I still put like pending like buy order at like 1926. Okay, I don't put exact like 1925 because sometimes price is either come like 1925 point something something, all right, and then it's not trigger my like pending orders. So sometimes I just put slightly like above, and then if I in front of the computer and then either it come down to 1924, let's say I just enter manually. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for compliment. Could you please provide any recommendation on crypto? Okay, for crypto, okay. Yeah. Okay, for crypto, I don't trade crypto by the way, but I can look for you. Okay, now already buy. Okay, one thing you notice about either any pair, what you notice that, right? When you see like really big bullet like that, they buy, definitely you will see another like bearish like this. They buy, and of course, you know, this should be a big boy in the market. They buy and then they need to sell to make a profit, right? Okay, where is my where is my indicator? Eyesight, where is my eyesight? Okay, no divergence here. Okay, okay, this is one of the things that you go, you see, you buy sideways for a while and then you sell. Usually it's always like that when there is really strong like movement in the market, like, you know, buy or sell. After you buy already, there is a sideways, okay, for a while, which is you buy. Okay, this is a big boy in the market, and then like really sideways, which is like the retailer or like the trader like us in the market, right? Okay, and then like the maybe the big one, they just, you know, waiting to sell, or they keep all, they collect all the order. Okay, then from that, what you can see that boom, they sell here from one and then they sell to make the profit. Okay, so when you see like that in head 4, I don't even want to trade, because sometimes you know that the forex market is very big. You don't need to only trade on only one pair, which is BTC, because if you know that this is a price sideways in head 4, I mean head 4. If you buy here, you might make a profit, but I don't trade. If you were to look at the H1, you see price is ranging sideways. If you see like that, right? I recommend that you don't trade on this pair. You can go to other like the major pair, EU, GU, Gold, because there's so many pair for you to trade. Okay, because if you only focus on only one pair, for example, like let's say today is not, the market is not on your favor. I mean, it's not on your side. Sideways like that, if you always want to enter the trade, you may end up losing your capital. Okay, like that, don't trade. Or you see that, oh, price is already up, right? And then in head 4, what you can see here, I know that I'm trade demand and supply. Sometimes I know that this is, I'm going to sell here because this have a supply zone here. And then if I were to draw fifth level from here, my retracement from swing high to let's just say this swing low here. Okay, because this is a swing low, swing high. What you can see that this is my sell zones, which is have Fibonacci 50% line up with my supply zone here. So when the price come in my zone, I'm gonna sell, which is here. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then if ranging like that, you don't trade, you look for other pair, other opportunity for you to trade. Okay, there's so many pair. Maybe making a white gap. Talking about what, I think one of my colleague, they're going to teach about white gap. Yeah, but I heard about that, but I don't really you know, want to study. I know the concept, but again, there is so many strategy you know, in this market, like white gap, SMC, support resistance, Fibo, harmonic, elate wave, so many. It's just that you have to find the strategy that suit for your best, that suit your best, and then you keep practice. And then, you know, if you're confident, you just keep practice, and then, you know, you're confident, you just press the lot. So when I really confident on my trade setup, then my lot size quite big. But if not, and then I think my lot size slightly smaller, just in case that the price is like revert or not in my favor. And then I know that what is my next step. Let's say if the price is reversed or against my favor, okay, buy limit or buy stop or sell limit or stop. I think that's quite basic. If you want to know, you can Google how to buy limit or buy stop. I put a buy limit just in case, for example, price come down here, then you know that this is the level that you want to buy. You put buy limit here. When the price comes to trigger your buy limit, and then price need to go up, this is called your buy limit. So you buy limit, meaning that you set the order, you set the pending order, and then you don't need to, you know, enter when you're not in front of the computer or in front of your mobile phone. Okay, you see, already up. This is up already. At least I earned like 20 pip already from just now. Okay, if you still new, Google, because if you want to, like, you know, stay in this forex market, basic forex, that's very important, like support and resistance, how to draw trend line, how to draw channel line, and then after that you know already, and then you can study other strategies. Okay, and then you can pick whatever strategy and then make your own strategy. You also can do that as well. Okay, because to me, I don't really trade on only SMC or Wyckoff or other like Fibo. I like to combine them. Okay, and then I trade. Okay, guys, any questions so far? Oh, I see. What do you mean by 100 point and pip? Okay, some people, sorry. Okay, for gold, some people they use pip, some people use point. For example, if you look here, let's say go from 1930 to 1925. Either you know, you say that is 50 if 50 pip or 100 point. You can Google. It depends. Some people say 50 pip for gold, yeah. Some people say 50 pip. Some people say 50 point. It's up to you. This is what I mean. But for gold, they call like that. But if you trade currency, they will say pip. So if the pip, you know already count, right? You see, like from, let's say, go from 1980 to 1990. Okay, it's already 100 pip or 1000 point. It's like that. It's going down soon. Just when it's reached the support level, you draw on your chart. No, this is my support level, meaning from this support, gold need to go up. That's why I'm buying. We buy at the support level, we sell at the resistance. Not support, you sell. Okay, like easy to remember. Buy low, sell high. Okay, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, if you heard about the term, we buy when the price at the support level, we sell when the price at resistance level. Okay, so that's why I buy at my support, because this is my buy zone. I mean my buy zone here, because this is my overlap support level. That's why I buy. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to launch the poll. Maybe you can help me vote if you like my webinars. Okay, I just launched my poll. Just tell me what. Thank you so much. Okay. If you keep practicing, every day, you know, your trading will get improved. Like I myself, because now I'm working full-time, right? So I look at the charts like every day. Sometimes if I don't do anything, I have to study, because we need to know all the strategy in the market. Because sometimes some of you guys ask me, at least I know how to tell you guys, or I know how to explain, right? So I still study every day, never stop. But I like it, so I don't feel like study is something I'm forcing myself. So I'm enjoying myself to learn the new strategy. That's why I understand, but I see that because the big screen candle form before in the same area. What does it mean? Okay, now in head 4, if you want to look for the confirmation, you need to go to the lower time frame for the confirmation. Like, you know, oh, this is price might reverse from this level. Okay, let's say if this candle is ending, I mean closing with the green one, but potential price will reverse. But if you were to scalp, like, you know, my TP should be somewhere around this level, because in the lower time frame, you know, that price is like make a rally. This is called base, right? And then rally here. So price come to here, they're going to be like small retailer sale. Okay, so if I buy, my TP should be around 1934 or 1935. Okay. All right. I'll just close. Okay, and then okay, guys. Let me. Okay, if you don't have any question, I think I'm going to end the webinar for today. Okay. If I'm not wrong, they're going to have the there will be Fibonacci series coming. I think either like tomorrow or next webinars. Okay. If any one of you guys are keen to learn, and then you can join my colleague. He will be teaching you. Okay. If I'm not wrong, I need to check. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy trading and have a good day. All right, take care. Bye for now.